Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question. I'd like to know, what spell should I create to get my money back from one of my friends? Oh boy. Okay, please explain here. Thanks for your reply. So there's a great spell that's so specifically for this, which is a pay me spell, right? Somebody owes you money and they're not paying you back and they really should be paying you back. You would do the green devil candles. So we have devil candles. They're like a little devil head. He's kind of cute. Um, my my former employee used to say they look like Quentin Tarantino. She said the Quentin Tarantino candle, that's what she used to call it. So we have this devil that looks like Quentin Tarantino, I guess. And you get a green devil candle. So the green devil spell is a totally old school spell for getting somebody to pay you. And you ask the green devil to push that person, like to give them a poke to get them to pay you back. The green devil is only there to get them to pay you back. Once you've been paid back, then the green devil won't be pushing them anymore, right? But this is like, and it's not a, I wouldn't call it, like, you're not cursing someone, you're not harming them. You're getting the green devil to push them a little bit, to give them a push, a nudge, a like poke. Hey, you need to pay this. You need to pay Victoria back the money you owe her. So you can use any of the, I would recommend, like, money magnet oil would be fantastic on that green devil candle. And then you might want to use, like, a dollar bill as like a petition paper, and say you want this person to pay you back. This person will pay me back in this amount of time, this amount of money. They'll pay me back willingly. They'll be happy to pay me back, whatever it is that you want to say in that petition, and then set that candle going. That's the way to do it. Green devil candle works every time when someone owes you money. It's like the nudge, the prod. They'll be thinking, oh yeah, I owe Victoria money. I got to pay her back. And you might even, like, you might even get a phone call from them, like saying, hey, I'm going to pay you back, or a message from them or something like that. So that's the quick and easy green devil candle spell for getting people who owe you money to pay you. That's it.